the CIA killed JFK to prevent him from knowing the truth. Of all the crazy conspiracy theories surrounding JFK's death, this one takes the cake. According to this theory, Kennedy, who reportedly experienced a UFO sighting himself sometime in 1963, demanded just 10 days before his assassination that the CIA give him full disclosure in their investigations on these unidentified flying objects and then share all the information with NASA. The end goal for the disclosure, he envisioned, was to put Soviet fears of American espionage to rest and perhaps even persuade them to join the U.S. in a joint exploration program. The CIA then and there decided to have him killed off. The conspiracy theory itself would be dismissed as wildly crazy were it not for the existence of the document known as the burned memo, allegedly revealed by someone identifying himself as ex-CIA. The partially burned paper, which contains the alleged CIA instructions to assassinate Kennedy for sticking his nose where it didn't belong, has helped to encourage the view that the CIA never wanted JFK to know the truth. Of course, it's highly likely that the burned memo is a fake, making this one of the craziest theories ever. For the U.S. battled Nazi UFOs in Antarctica and lost. Although the official explanation for the unprecedented U.S. expedition to Antarctica in 1946 was to map out the area and deny the Soviets a foothold at the same time, conspiracy theorists believe that the voyage itself was really a secret operation to track down a hidden Nazi base. According to them, the surviving Nazis, including Hitler, in some versions escaped to their fortress in the frozen wasteland with the help of advanced UFO technology. The U.S., armed with this information, then mounted a clandestine military campaign against them but were decisively defeated and forced to retreat. In reality, it was actually the bad weather that compelled the U.S. expedition to leave the area. However, that hasn't stopped conspiracy theorists from celebrating the victory and continuing to hold out on the hope that a fleet of Nazi UFOs will one day come out of Antarctica and start World War III. MacArthur and alien warfare in the future. Did Douglas MacArthur, the man who led the U.S. against the Japanese and later the Koreans and Chinese, foresee a future war against aliens? According to a supposed speech he made in 1955, MacArthur warned that all countries of the Earth should unite, because the next war would involve humanity against aliens from other planets. Conspiracy theorists closely tie the general's statements with his alleged involvement in the creation of the ambiguous Interplanetary Phenomenon Unit, a government agency supposedly tasked with investigating mysterious UFO crashes in the 1950s and which was later absorbed by the Air Force. As the story goes, the IPU's findings that UFOs constituted a threat to national and global security was what prompted MacArthur to render his speech.